Okay, welcome. Valency, the number of valence electron of an element which actually take parts in chemical reaction is called valency of that element. Metals such as sodium, magnesium and aluminum loses 1, 2, 3 valence electron to form positive ions, that is cations. We can say the metals such as sodium, magnesium and aluminum which loses 1, 2 or 3 valence electron to form positive ion, that is known as cations. So valency of sodium, magnesium and aluminum will be 1, 2 or 3. See, sodium 281, electronic configuration is 281, 8 to 10 or 1 11. Okay, electronic configuration is 11. And see, sodium atom, it loses 1 electron, so it will be Na plus sodium ion. Okay, so it is univalent, it loses 1 electron. Okay, it loses 1 atom. Okay, now magnesium, it loses 2. Okay, 2 valence electron. Okay, so it is known as divalent. Magnesium atom is known as magnesium ion, and aluminum 3 atom from the valence shell, so it is become trivalent. For an example, just I will teach you one thing. See, sodium, electronic configuration, that is 2, 8 and 1. Complete shell we required 8 for stable. Okay, and outermost shell it will lose or gain. For outermost shell it will lose or it will gain. We are talking about this one. For example, sodium 2, 8 and 1, electronic configuration 8 to 10 or 1 11. The number of proton will be 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just we are talking for one positive ion. Okay, now number of electron will be, when there is no exchange, okay, when there is no charge, 8, 9, 10, 11, it means 0, cancel. So sodium atom has no charge, there is no charge in it. Okay, but if this one sodium, okay, now it is fixed there, protons are fixed. Proton means atomic numbers are fixed, we know this one. Okay, 2, 8 and 1, proton 11. But when it loses, okay, 1 electron, when it loses 1 electron, then it becomes positive 1, sign will become here plus. So sodium, this one sodium become sodium ion. Okay, so no change in the name, sodium metal loss. Okay, sodium ion, like that we can find out. One more example we can take, magnesium 2, 8, 2. Okay, 8 to 10 to 12, protons plus 12, electron minus 12, there is no change. Okay, but when it loses, okay, the proton, electron 8, 9, 10, when it is loses this one plus, so it becomes Mg plus, that is cations. So it means 2 valence electron to form positive ion, it is known as cations. Okay, cations. Now non-metals such as fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen gain 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their valence shell to form negative ions, that is known as anion. Okay, fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen 1, 2 and 3, that is fluorine atom, fluoride atom become fluoride ion, oxygen becomes oxide ion. Okay, and nitrogen atoms become nitride atom. The valency of a non-metal element is usually equal to 8 minus the number of valence electron, that is valency of non-metal, 8 minus number of valence electron. Okay, there is an exception there, in hydrogen is 1, which is equal to the number of electrons. Okay, last we had studied about loss, now gain, we will study the gain. Oxygen 8, electronic configuration 2 or 6, outermost, sorry, 2 and just a minute. Oxygen 2 and 6. Electronic configuration is 8. We know this one. Okay. Outermost shell 2. So to gain to stable, okay, to gain it to become a stable, so how much it requires? 8 we required. Okay. Now the proton plus 8, electron, number of electron minus 8, 0, there is no sign. But when it gain, when it want to gain the positive protons plus 8, electron, it becomes minus 10. Okay. So how much it will be? Minus 2, because 6 to 8, 2 more required in this outermost shell. Minus 2, then it becomes, the sign will be like that. It is known as anion. They have 2 electrons in their valence shell to form negative ions. Okay. For example, oxygen become oxide. We are talking about ide, oxide, sulfide. Okay, got it here? Ide. That is, they are known as anion. They are known as anion.